Okay guys, let's go for a small test. So here in my database, in the versions table, I hit the new row and I added a new version 0.0.1 and the files separated with comma, alright? This is the way I'm doing. So as you can see, I added a version 0.0.1 with php.txt and good is comma godot.txt. Basically, this file is just I love PHP and I love Godot um, in sequence. All right. So here in the 0.0.1 folder, as you can see, I have the files that I set in the database. I also have the 0.0.2, but it's empty. All right. I'm just updating. Let's put it this way. I made the first version and I registered in my database. If I register a new version in my database without any files, it's dangerous, all right? So this is the point. So to complete our small test, I changed the node to the to control and I added a button in here and I also attached a script to the scene. I declared a variable called launcher of type launcher equals to launcher.new. And when I hit the button, this launcher is added to the tree. In theory, the order you're gonna do, like you won't have this check under this ready into the launcher, all right? And this unchecked version wouldn't automatically call this unupdated version. Like in normal launchers, you will check the if there is a new version, then you're gonna show the option for the player, for the user, if they want to update. If they don't want, you're totally able to not let them play the game. That's okay. But you should give the possibility for the user if they want to update or not, right? So if we test, for example, if I run this current control, as you can see, it's just a button in the middle and I will hit download. Nothing will signalize because I didn't make anything, but when I close, my files will be updated, and as you can see, a game folder was created, a version folder was created, 0.0.1, with my both files. I love Godot and I love PHP. So the basic version is working. So what is the next step? I will create some different scenes, even they don't do anything at all, but I gotta create some scenes and show you that our launcher is already completed. All right.